you how I might solve a problem like this using Geogebra, using the blank graph that I linked for you guys. So it says find an equation for the perpendicular bisector of the line segment whose endpoints are -2, -4, and 8, 2. So I'm going to the link that I gave you guys, and I'm going to type in -2, -4, and 8, 2. So it's going to graph those for me. -2, -4. Okay, so I see those, and I'm just moving my graph around so that I can see them together. And then I'm going to go to the triangle and circle, and I'm going to scroll down till I see segments, and I'm going to connect them. Then I am going to figure out how many I have to go up and how many I have to go over to get from A to B. And I'm going to do that using a segment just to help me count easily. So I have to go up 6 and over 10. So if I want to find the midpoint, I need to do that in half. So instead of 6, I need to go up 3. And instead of 10, I need to go over 5, which looks like that gets me right here. So I'm going to click point and go ahead and put a point there. I can see that this was 6 and this was 10. And I can delete those if I want. I don't have to, but maybe I want to clear up a little bit here. Make there be a little less going on. I don't need point C. That was part of my counting. So now I have my midpoint. Again, the rise over the run, which is the slope, was up 3 over 5. So that means the perpendicular slope has to be -5 over 3. I'm just going to type that over here so I don't forget. So now I'm going to go to the point D, and I'm going to grab another point, and I'm going to go up 5 and over 3 and make sure it's negative. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to grab the move and just move it a little bit so I can see better. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then over 3 right here. So if I connect that with a line by going to segment, or I could do like a full line so that it goes all the way through. The really cool thing about this is it's going to give me the equation. Now, the only thing is, if you look here, the slope is -1.66666667. That's really -5 over 3, as you can see up here. So the equation would really be, let's see if it'll let me type another one. Add expression. Y equals, I can't see me typing because my play button is in the way, -5 over 3x. And then I need to find that y-intercept, which is 4 plus 4. And I can see that the line just went over the line that's already there. So y equals -5 over 3x plus 4. So that's how they give you all these formulas. I've told you guys I am not a fan of memorizing formulas. If you would like to look at it, feel free. But the way I like to do it is use a graph. And if you look at the graph that they give you, it looks very similar to the one that we did in Geogebra. I hope this helps.